Hi YouTube, so in this video I'll be DIYing multicolored crayons. First you'll need a silicone mold, particularly an ice tray. Cut the labels off the crayons, then break them and place them into the cavities. Leave them out in the sun until they melt, then bring them inside to cool and harden. Voila! Now you have your own DIY multicolor crayons. Alternatively, this method can be done in the microwave and oven. Just be very thorough cutting the labels. Thanks for watching!